Eva, CEO of Faber Instrument Indonesia. My company is dedicated to transforming liquid waste into unique handcrafted products. Based in Cianjur, West Java, we empower local community by giving new life, new hope. Through our innovative process, we create beautiful and functional wooden radio speaker, the sound of art. Our product blend vintage design with cutting-edge technology, offering a timeless yet modern audio experience. Our Thickwood radio have been gained international recognition. They've been featured as official merchandise at the major global event, including UN Climate Change Conference COP26 in Glasgow, the MotoGP event in Mandalika, and the G20 Summit in Bali. We're proud of the positive impact we make both for the environment, for our community. Faber Instrument is not just a business, it's a movement toward sustainability and creativity. Thank you for supporting us and being part of this incredible journey. Faber Instrument Indonesia, from local to global.